So, this is the story of the pencil pals from my free Papercraft website, Kooky Craftables. Are you a squiggle, a scribble, or a dude? Let's find out. Squiggle loves school. Science, math, history, art, so many things to learn, and so little time. Squiggle always finishes her assignments before the due date and never passes up a chance to do extra credit. When her friends question where she gets her energy, she just quotes the poet Henry David Thoreau by saying, "I cannot make my days longer, so I strive to make them better." Tests, tests, tests! Scribble hates taking tests. Is the answer A, or maybe it's B? It can't be C, because all of the above seems impossible. But D, none of the above, doesn't seem right either. Scribble's head feels like it's filled with lead every time a test rolls around. Introducing Dude, which is short for doodle, but don't dare say that to his face. Dude seems grumpy most of the time, but the reality is that he's bored. He's extremely sharp, creative, and smart, which makes him quick to respond to any situation with a snappy wisecrack. Unfortunately, this usually lands him in detention. So, are you a squiggle, a scribble, or a dude? Or are you none of the above? Never fear, I've got you covered on this project because you can invent your own pencil pal. Take the character quiz, come up with a name, and tell your own story. It's easy. Now you might want to draw the art on the template before you cut it out and build it, but after you've built a squiggle, scribble, or dude, you'll have lots of ideas. You can make yourself, or you can get wildly inventive and create a character that no one has ever seen before. And you might be curious about what kind of student I was when I was in school. Well, sometimes I was a little like Dude, but I always hated taking tests, so I really identify with Scribble. Until I went to college. I went to VCU, which is Virginia Commonwealth University, and it's a school of the arts, and I loved it. I studied mass communications and advertising, and that's when I turned into a squiggle. And I've been a squiggle ever since. So let me know in the comments below, what kind of pencil pal are you?